Hey guys, so we're gonna start with refurbishing the back bench. So this is the bench seat that we took out of the Eddie Bauer edition for the back, and as you can see, a lot of rust on it. So a lot of rust on here, and so what we did was we used this Loctite Extend rust neutralizer. It converts the rust to a paintable surface, and so we're going to try that. So we've already sprayed it just now and it makes it a little darker. We're going to try that, but for the moment, the other thing is the gray, the piece that came out of the back of this truck isn't near as rusted or anything as this is. So what I think we're going to do is, I do notice that there's screws that are on this backing, but I don't know exactly you know, if I take these hinges off, like the hinges here, these here, over there are not rusted, but I want to see if I take this whole piece off, can I use the non-rusted metal from that one and just put this cushion on. So that's what we're going to try now. So I'm going to move this stuff out of the way, and then I'm going to bring over the one that I took out of the truck, and we'll go from there. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. All right, so this one is the back to this, and if you look, the handles on this are not near as bad as the handles here, although I mean obviously I could sand them down and paint them, but I'm seeing this backing plate, and I might be able to just unscrew this backing plate because I think that may work. So let's unscrew the backing plate from this one here, since we weren't going to actually use it again anyway. See what happens. Okay, so got this one out all the way. Alright. So all the bolts are unscrewed. I can see. Anything on the corners here? Don't see. Let's see if, and it looks like this got a little loose here. Alright. Let's take, okay. Oh, there we go. Cushion is off. So 4 bolts. Alright, so 4 bolts and this cushion is now off. So I could take, so this 8 bolts held this on. So what we could do is let's clean this up, repaint it, and then we'll take that cushion, put it on here. All right, let's do that. Well, let's take it off there first. But this will be the one we use then. We'll just clean it up really good. All right. Okay. So we got this. We got this one. Pull this over here so we can reach everything. And we'll and the last one is this one right here. Hold on a second. Okay. So this should probably the 2 bolts. So there's 2 screws. I see 2 screws right there on that plate. Whoa. Okay. Okay. All right. All those. Yeah. See if this will come off. It appears that it will. It appears it's coming off. Okay. All right. Over. There we go. All right. Okay, so we have our cushion out. Nice. Perfect, that's what we wanted. All right, so we got this cushion. This can be tossed because it is super rusted and I don't want to deal with it. All right, so this piece here can get tossed because it's just a super rusted piece that's not really any good. So we can toss that piece. Next is, I wonder if we can get this piece off. So this shows screwed in too. I don't know, is there screws? Well, I mean, we could try it. I don't think I have. Well, let's go and look and see if I have the other piece. I think we do. Yeah, it's down there. So we'll go and take the gray piece apart, and if it works, we'll swap cushions again. So, all right. Hey guys, how you doing? This is Sean, and you guys have watched 4.5 million times our videos. We have over 755 videos up right now, and we only have 20,000 subscribers. So if you love our channel, there's three ways you can really help. You can subscribe, you can like, and if you want any of our gear, from t-shirts from when we were on the Hot Rod Power Tour, to coffee mugs, stickers, hats, bags, baby onesies, everything, please watch what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go to my homepage, click here. Once you click on this, it takes you to our official JYBF store. You can go in, you can pick any of the different designs that we have, and we have a bunch, as you can see. And once you've picked the design that you want, you can put it on everything from a hat to a tote bag, to a gym bag, to a sweatshirt, to a hoodie, to baby diaper bags, to baby diapers, I think. I don't know. We have like literally hundreds of different items here in different colors. You choose the color, you choose whatever design you want. Pay for it, they ship it to you from the warehouse. You will get it right away. If there's any issues, you can return them if you have to. We take credit cards. We've been shipping stuff around and I see you guys wearing it. So if you want to help us, the channel, please go to the store and click on that, find something you like, and hopefully I'll see you somewhere. You know, we're already all around the country. In fact, so the next time you're out and you see me, give me a yell. And then I'll put you on the channel wearing some of our gear. The other piece, it had 4 screws in it there. So let's see if this will come apart. I don't know. Those 4-piece screws have to come out. This trim, that is right here. That was this trim here. Why is it not coming? So, I don't know. What is this? Come down here. You have to unscrew it. Now, I'm not seeing how to get that back piece off. So I guess what we'll do, honestly, is we'll go ahead and treat that, sand it, paint it. This rubber mat came off of that one. We can put the rubber mat back right on here. So, or put a piece of carpet on there maybe. Maybe that's what we'll do, just put a nice piece of carpet or something on there. So, all right, well, at least we got that piece off. So now we can treat and paint that one. All right, guys, we'll come back when I put it back together after I paint it. Down to Earth Ultra Matte. That's the color, Ultra Matte. It's a paint and primer from Rust-Oleum, and that should match pretty good to our tannish, you know, the color that we're going with on our interior. I'm just going to really do the handles and the edges and stuff on this. So this is metal, so we can use real paint. So that's what we're going to do right here. Paint the back of this, because the rust is now a paintable surface. And actually, to be honest with you, it kind of almost looks like popcorn. So I don't think it will be too bad for the back. We'll just paint that and see how that looks in the morning. We'll see after rust comes through. But in the meantime, we're gonna go over here, paint these railings. We're gonna paint the railings here and paint the hinges. Paint the edges. I just paint the whole thing, honestly. Yeah, it's a little breezy. Like Derek on Vice Group Garage says, we're just gonna give it an eBay rebuild here. All right. All right. So when I come back, we'll put the cushion back on. It's a little hot out today. Yeah. Whew. All right. That's Jim, and he's a friend of mine. He's going to be helping with the truck. He's putting the engine in, and he's going to bring his welder over so we can fix the floor. So if you want to watch Jim's channel, it's Mr. Try the number 2 Unbreak It. Mr. Try number 2 to Unbreak It. I'll put it right here below me. But so if you wouldn't mind, that would be really nice if you went over. It's a brand new channel, and check it out. Subscribe would be cool. It doesn't cost you anything. Helps him out get started. But you'll see this truck on his channel as well as my own. And he does other things as well too. So all right, today what we did was we treated and started sanding to see how this is going to look. I have to sand that flat. The interior pieces for the truck, we've got the over there, interior pieces for the truck. We have here the frame for the back seat, and we've gone ahead and cleaned it up, sanded it down, and we're going to go ahead and repainted it so that the colors are not black. They're matching the actual colors that we're going to put in. All right, guys, so here is the piece. This piece is just rusted, and we're probably just going to get rid of that, take that over to a recycle center right there. And then we also have this piece here, which I'll probably just toss or whatever as well. Maybe I'll get rid of that because I can't use it. It's pretty gross. And so we took the seats that we painted here. So for now, You can see we repainted, redid everything. It came out really nice. And there's the 2 cushions. We're going to keep those cushions. We're going to go ahead and clean those cushions with a regular furniture steamer. We'll do a steam clean on those cushions before we put them back in here. But wanted to see, show you how it comes out. It came out really good. And we'll go ahead and oil those springs. And so that's where we're at. Again, if you want to check out my friend Jim's channel, you'll see the channel name right here. And he's starting out. You'll see Jim a lot. He's going to be working with us on the truck. I know I had to change shirts. It was really, really hot out. So I changed shirts. Anyway, appreciate you watching. I know there's not been a lot of car shows or anything around for me to go to, but we'll be getting back into them when we find them. In the meantime, appreciate you watching all this, and we're just going to keep building this truck. Hopefully we'll have it done by May. May is now the target date. I'd like to get it done by May, except for paint. And I may keep it the same color. We may do a different color, but then I'd have to take all this stuff off and redo it. And so we have only a couple more pieces to dye. We have got 5 more pieces. And then once we have those pieces for the interior done, we're going to order the rug, get the rug here, and then we'll put the rug in. We have to have the floor done first before we do the rug. So anyway, appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.